Samsung A21S LCD replacement. Heat with the heat gun, back cover. Put blade here to open the back cover. Push the home button sensor inside. Gently open the back cover. Open all the screws from the back cover. Take out the SIM tray jacket. Now take out home button flex. Open the back cover. Open the battery terminal. Take out flex from the LCD. Now open the LCD flex. Take out LCD panel. Clean the double tape glue from all sides. Now we will test the LCD whether it is good or not. LCD is good. Now put LCD fixing paste on all sides. Test the LCD before fixing it. Close the back cover and put the screws. Now put the sensor flex button. Put the LCD fixing paste and put the back cover. Now I will put transparent tape so that the LCD and the back cover can fix properly. It will take some time to dry the LCD paste. After 2 hours, we can take out this transparent tape. Thank you.